the inventors of the Breadbot, the world's first and only fully automated bread baking robot.
I'm Paul Rhynhard, CEO of Wilkinson Baking Company, and over the next several minutes I'm going to give you a deep dive on our Breadbot.
Let's start at the back of the machine. Here we have 4 individual ingredient hoppers. This enables us to bake 4 different varieties throughout the day in a fully automated fashion. By using the inventory levels on the back of the machine, we're able to use our smart production system to pull directly the varieties that we need to bake to meet customer demand. The next stage in the process is the dosing. Here we use a weight-based system to measure the exact right amount of yeast and ingredient mix based on the recipe for a given bread variety. Once ingredients and yeast are properly measured, they're dropped into the mixing pot where water is added to create the dough ball. If the dough ball is too wet or too dry, we automatically add ingredients or water to make the right consistency every single time. Once the dough ball has been mixed for 5 or 6 minutes, it then drops onto our forming system where 2 variable speed belts form the dough ball into a dough log, which then drops into the right pan. Over the next 45 minutes or so, in a very humid environment, the dough log rises to the right height before entering the oven at the correct temperature for the variety of that loaf. That loaf is then baked in our oven before coming out the other side, where a tilter drops it onto a robotic arm that places it into our cooling cabinet. From here, there's 2 things that can happen. 1, customers can vend out of the machine a hot loaf, which is one of the most exciting features of the Breadbot. We see a lot of our sales are from customers who just want to experience that hot loaf that literally steams in your face when you pull it out of the machine. The rest of the loaves are taken by the baking staff, sliced and bagged, and put on shelves on the back of the Breadbot for sale to customers at their leisure. Thank you for spending time with us today. We'd love to share a hot loaf of bread with you, so find us at one of our locations or reach out and we'll arrange a visit.